friend, welcome back to Caspian Arzy. How are you feeling? Today I have a special lesson prepared for you. We'll be learning some super important phrases for different everyday situations. So if you're a beginner, this lesson is for you, my friend. In this lesson, I have prepared a list of A1 phrases for different situations, like including ordering food, asking for help, or phrases you can use at a hotel, and much more. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and happier to use these phrases in your daily conversations. So my friend, actually learning a language, take practice. So please don't be afraid to, repeat these phrases with me, repeat them along with me, or pause the video and try to take notes and try to practice a lot. All right? So if you're ready, my friend, let's get started. The first situation, asking about someone's well-being. How are you?
Fine, Deb. Today I'm fine.
We all know what how are you, right? But other than how are you, let's say that imagine your friend is feeling sad or not feeling really well, right? In that case, you can also say, how are you feeling, my friend? Or you can say, is everything all right? Or you can say, are you okay? Now, let's move on to the next phrase, asking for help.
Please, will you help us? We'll take the job.
Yeah,
Really?
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain, please? Look, my friend, when you speak in English, it's very important that before you start, it's important to say, sorry, excuse me, please, right? You cannot just say, help me with this, or you can also tell me how to do this one. Always try to use, excuse me, could you please, right? So in this case, we're, kinder and it's more polite. Now, moving on to the next situation, asking for information.
Can you tell me?
The way you ask this in English, can you tell me? For example, can you tell me how to access the Wi-Fi network in this building? Or, could you please tell me? Could you please tell me where the nearest bank is? Or, do you know? Do you know if the museum is open on Sundays? Okay, next, very important, saying sorry. How can we say sorry in English?
I'm sorry.
Super easy. Of course, we all know I'm sorry, right? Very important. I'm sorry. Could you please tell me? Or you can say, excuse me. Could you please tell me? But let's say that you did something wrong. Okay? You did something wrong. Maybe you argued with your friend. Then you need to say what? Sorry, my friend. Or I'm sorry, my friend. It was my fault. I'm sorry. It was my fault. Or imagine that there are two people talking to each other, or a group of people talking to each other. And you just want to go and ask something to them. Okay? Then you need to say, I'm sorry to cut in, but I noticed that you dropped your key. Here is your key, for example. Okay? Cool. Well done. Now, my friend, next situation is ordering food in a restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad. Could you bring my son a glass of water, please?
How can we do this? All right. You're in a restaurant and you see the menu, okay? And you don't know what to order, okay? You're checking all the menu and you say to the waiter, sorry, what can you recommend? What can you recommend? So that the waiter can say, okay, in this restaurant, pizza, we have a great pizza, or you need to try orange juice, right? So you say, what can you recommend? And now you're ready to order. And waiter is coming. And you say, could I order, please? Or you can say, could I order the pizza, please? Or can I get another hamburger, please? It means one more. All right? Or can I get another water, please? Orange juice, please? So always, ask it as a question. Could I have blah blah please? Right? In this way. And now you finished your food and now you want to pay. Okay? How can you ask? Here it's very simple. I say, could I have the bill please? Can I have the bill please? Both possible. Now, my friend, we're going to talk about how can we talk at a hotel.
Can I help you? Name, please.
Seinfeld, you made a reservation for...
Okay, so of course, you say hi, hello, how are you? These phrases we already know. But we have some certain phrases related to hotels. Let's learn them. Hello, I have a reservation in your name. For example, hello, I have a reservation under Maria. I have a reservation under Mr. Smith. Okay? And you say hi, hello at the reception. I have a reservation under this. After that, you say, I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. Okay? And then you can say, what time is the checkout? When you want to leave the hotel. Or you can also say, what time is the check-in? You're asking for the time. For example, imagine that you enter to the hotel and the receptionist told you that you cannot check in now because of the time, and you ask, oh really? Then what time is the check-in? He said, after half an hour, or check after an hour. Yeah? Cool. Well done. And then you checked out the hotel and you want to call the taxi and you want to ask it, okay, from the reception. How? Can you call a taxi for me, please? All right, next phrase, phone calls.
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane.
Hello?
Hi, I'm calling regarding. It means, hi, I'm calling to ask you, I'm calling about, it means, okay? For example, hi, I'm calling regarding the English language course. I would like to know, the schedule, fees, and all. So here you can say, hi, I'm calling regarding, yeah? Then you can say, okay, thank you for your help and see you later. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, Actually, phone calls are the easiest one. Why? Because there you use, your everyday language. Like, hello, hi, how are you? You can just say, I would like to ask this. Please help me with this. Or if you're talking to your friend, if you have a native speaker friend, okay, then you can say, just hi, my friend. How are you feeling today? How is everything going on? Let's go out together. Yeah? Or let's watch movie together. Simple, right? Super simple. You can do it. Well done. Next one, being late.
I can't get away at the moment, but I'll try to come back in about 20 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay, so imagine that you're late, my friend, okay? Then, of course, you need to say sorry. First of all, I'm sorry, I'm late. You can say, I'm sorry, my friend, I'm super late. I was doing this. You can say. Or you can call your friend. Okay, you can call your friend and say, I'm sorry, my friend, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. So I will be there in something. Okay, because this is very important, right? If you know that you're going to late, then you need to call. Yeah, cool. And you can also say, thank you for waiting. All right, cool. Next phrase, agreeing with someone.
Exactly my point.
For example, one of your friends telling you, hey, my friend, I really like this hotel. Or, hey, my friend, I really like this restaurant. The food was so yummy. You say, exactly. It means, yes, I agree with you. Exactly. Next, absolutely. I'm 100% with you. Okay? Or you can, if you want, you can also just say, yes. All right? Cool. Disagreeing with someone.
Well, I disagree, Mom.
Thanks for saying that, Amen. And I couldn't agree with you.
Again, Let's say that your friend is saying, wow, I like this, restaurant. You said, I'm sorry, I disagree with you. Okay, I'm sorry, I disagree with you. It means that maybe you didn't like the restaurant. Okay? But again, we need to be polite. Because in sometimes when we speak in foreign language, we forget these things. In our languages, in our mother tongue, of course, we always say, I'm sorry, kind words. But when it comes to English, we sometimes forget it. So in order not to forget, I am reminding you. Always say, I'm sorry, excuse me, please, and so on, so that you're kind. You will show that you're kind, let me say. So, I'm sorry, but I disagree with you. Second one, I may be wrong, but I disagree with you. It means that, okay, I can be wrong, maybe you are right, but still, I don't agree with you. So, okay, next situation, shopping.
Can she try it on?
Yes.
The changing room's up there.
Now, my friend, imagine you entered to a store and one of the shop assistants came to you and asked, how can I help you? Right? She asked you. And you said, if you don't want, any help from that person, you can just say, thank you. Again, look, thank you. I'm just looking. Okay? Don't just say, I'm just looking. It's, not that kind. Say, thank you. I'm just looking. All right. Or if you need help, you can say, yes, please. I'm looking for a tie. I'm looking for shoes. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Yes, please. I'm looking for something. Or if you want to ask the price, the money, how much does this cost? How much does this cost? And you check the price. They said like $100. And you say, wow, it's expensive. Too much money. He said, is this on sale? On sale, it's like, for example, $100, and you say, like discount, maybe $90, maybe $70, right? You're asking, is this on sale? Shop assistant might say yes or no, I'm sorry. Okay, you like the dress and you want to try it, okay? You want to wear it, right? In a store. Then how you say, can I try this on? You can say, excuse me, can I try this on? Or you can say, where is the fitting room? Fitting room. Okay, then you try it, then you say, great, I'll take it. Like it means I'm buying it. Great, I'll take it. Okay? And you want to pay, all right? And the cashier asks you, how would you like to pay? Cashier asks this. And you say, I'd like to pay by card. I'd like to pay by cash. Okay? And you can also ask this one, my friend. Can you please gift wrap it for me? Can you please gift wrap it for me? It means that, for example, you're buying something for your friend. Maybe it's your friend's birthday and you want to make it, as a gift wrap. Okay, so you say, can you gift wrap it for me? All right? Cool. Next phrase, talking about the weather. You say,
It's gonna be a hot day. Oh, yeah.
oh, it's hot today. It's hot today. Hey, let's take our umbrellas. I think it's going to rain. It's going to rain. Or you can also say, is it going to rain? And you say that, oh, it's super hot. And your friend says, yes, it is. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? You say 40 degrees. Super hot. Okay, cool. All right, my friend, we talked about some phrases related to the weather. But do we know how to say weather conditions? Let's practice them together. How is the weather today? It is sunny. Cool. How is the weather? It's rainy. Well done. How is the weather? Windy. Cool. How about this? Stormy. Well done. And this? Snowy. Very good. And how about this? cold. Cool. And this? Hot. Well done. And the last one? Warm. Okay? Perfect. Well done, my friend. Alright, my friend, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. So, my friend, stay awesome, stay connected. See you soon.